I'm Emanuel Boluwatife Oladokun, the 12th Leo District President for Leo District 404B2 Nigeria, and I'm using this medium to wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year in advance. Allow me to encourage you to seize this festive period as an opportunity for you to serve beyond self. Just like the theme of this service here says, innovative leadership, service beyond self. Make sure you put smile on the faces of others, on the faces of people, the ones you know and the ones you do not know. Just make someone happy, make someone smile, and let's have a joyous festive season. Compliments of the season, dear Leos of Leo District 404B2 and all of our Leos in Nigeria and across the globe. Thank you for serving beyond self. In Lionism, we serve.